What if I told you that there's a memory foam hybrid that actually sleeps temperature neutral, costs a few $100s less than the mattress everyone compares it to, comes with a 365 night sleep trial, and it offers a lifetime warranty? After 30 nights on the Glacier Apex Hybrid, here's exactly what we found and why it earned our best value memory foam hybrid pick for 2026. Quick version. In case you're shopping right now, the Glacier Apex Hybrid is a 14-inch cooling memory foam hybrid with a medium feel. Across a full 30-night test, it delivered premium pressure relief, strong motion isolation, and genuinely temperature-neutral sleep at a mid-tier price. It's built for side, back, and combination sleepers who want the hug of memory foam without the heat. Owners rate it a 4.78 out of 5 across 216 reviews. If that's all you needed, the link and the current discount are in the description. If you want to know how it actually performs, stick around. So, who is this for? 3 groups. First, side, back, and combination sleepers who want close pressure relief without sinking in and feeling stuck. Second, hot sleepers. People who love the contour of memory foam but can't stand the heat that usually comes with it. And third, couples, because the motion isolation and reinforced edges make the whole surface usable. Who should look elsewhere? Strict stomach sleepers who need a firm, flat surface, though the Apex does come in a firm option today. And anyone chasing that buoyancy on top of the bed latex feel. Let's open it up. The Apex is 14 inches tall and built in 7 layers. Up top, a cooling Euro pillow top quilted with foam. Below that, you get targeted lumbar support from the graphite-infused carbon ice memory foam. Under that, an inch of copper gel-infused memory foam, then 2 inches of gel memory foam. That's your pressure relief. A transition layer keeps you from bottoming out, and underneath sits the pocketed coil unit up to 1,056 individually wrapped coils depending on size, with a thicker gauge wire around the perimeter for edge support. Glacier calls the cooling stack Glacier Tech, Copper Element, Carbon Ice Graphite Foam, and Arc Flow Ventilated Gel. Translation: a lot of cooling tech stacked above the coils. It's fiberglass free and made in the USA, and it ships in soft, medium, and firm. I tested the medium, which is the most popular version. Now, the headline: cooling. Memory foam is notorious for trapping heat, so this is the test that mattered most. Across 30 nights, the surface stayed cool to the touch, and I never got that heat buildup you expect from memory foam. I'd call it temperature neutral rather than ice cold. It doesn't actively chill you, it just refuses to overheat. For a memory foam bed, that's the result you want, and it's the single biggest reason this one stands out. On feel, the Apex lands right around a true medium. There's a real pillow top cushion up top and gentle contouring, but the coils keep your hips and shoulders supported instead of letting you sink. This is where it earns its keep. Less shoulder and hip tension than firmer hybrids I've tested. If you're a side or combination sleeper, that pressure relief is a genuine standout. It contours closely without the stuck sensation foam is known for. 2 quick wins for couples. Motion isolation. Despite being a hybrid, a partner getting in and out of bed didn't wake me through the test. And edge support, this is a standout. The reinforced perimeter holds firm when you sit or sleep near the edge, so the usable surface feels like the entire mattress, not just the middle. Here's the comparison everyone's searching for: the Glacier Apex versus the Helix Midnight Luxe. Both are medium-feeling premium hybrids with zoned lumbar support and a cooling cover. In testing, the Apex roughly matches the Midnight Luxe on feel and pressure relief, while costing several $100s less, with a longer trial, a lifetime warranty, and a choice of firmness levels. Full honesty, I tested the Helix with its paid Ergo-Align and CoolForce upgrades, and with those add-ons, it feels a touch more structured and sleeps cooler, so I give it the slight edge overall. But those upgrades push the price well above the Apex. At equal money, the Apex is the better value and the stronger temperature-neutral hybrid, and that's exactly why it took our Best Value Memory Foam Hybrid Award. Let's talk money. A queen runs about $15.99 depending on the promotion, with the MSRP higher. Glacier runs frequent sales, so check the current price. For comparison, the Helix Midnight Luxe Queen is around $18.99. Apex also backs it with a 365-night home trial and lifetime warranty versus 120 nights and a lifetime warranty on the Helix. I've got a discount code Boxed Sleep for $50 off, plus a little cash back linked in the details below. Quick answers to what you're all asking. Does it sleep hot? No. Temperature neutral, even with memory foam up top. Is it good for side sleepers? Yes. That's its sweet spot. Is it worth it? For the money, it's one of the best temperature neutral hybrids I've tested. So, the verdict. I don't score mattresses or assign them a number. They're just too personal. But after 30 nights, I can tell you that the Glacier Apex Hybrid is a rare combination of premium performance and real value. Top-tier cooling, pressure relief, and edge support all at a mid-tier price. And that's exactly why it earned our Best Value Memory Foam Hybrid pick for 2026. If you want Midnight Luxe level comfort at a lower price point, this is the mattress to beat. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and please give us a thumbs up. We test every product we cover for a minimum of 30 nights so that you don't have to. That's about 240 hours of real hands-on experience in a real bedroom. The link and the discount code are included in the description below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.